Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the FXR build series, and as you can tell, today we're focusing on the motor. Primarily we're going to be doing a top end disassembly to get the rocker boxes, the heads, and the cylinders ready to get the paint stripped off of them, and then ultimately get everything ready for new gaskets. That's not going to be in this video, the assembly. That'll be in a separate video when everything's ready. So this video is not going to be too technical, as with the rest of our videos. It's just going to kind of be like a chill, follow us along as we film a portion of a project. So if you do want technical, if you just search like Evo engine disassembly in the YouTube search bar or whatever, the first video you find will probably be like a video done in the 80s or like the early 90s by like some Australians, and it's really comprehensive. The only thing is they refer to carburetors as carbies, which is a little strange, but if you can get past that, then it's a pretty good video to watch. So that's about all I have to say about that.
That's it.
That's all I have to say about that.
But yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to focus on today. Maybe after I film some of this, I'll give you some status updates on the parts that I've received, and then just do like a project update on the bike in general as far as where we stand and what's next. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll catch back with you in a little bit. Alright everyone, that's disassembly done top end wise. Motor doesn't look too bad. I think it only has like 20,000 miles on it, so it's not worn in too bad. We're not going to do any performance mods or anything like that. Just gonna do the gaskets. Frame back from powder coat. Looks awesome. So I'm pretty stoked on that. Gloss black powder coat. And then I got some other parts in. I'll try and bring them out here and go through them real quick. Alright, so these are the parts that I got so far. Mainly just like gasket and rebuild material. So this is the fork, 39mm fork rebuild kit. These are the wheel bearings, front and rear. This is the, what is this, engine gasket kit, Cometic. Primary gasket kit, Cometic. Arlen Ness handlebar bushings, Arlen Ness side covers, and Bridgestone Spitfire. Unfortunately, they are not the raised whites. Don't know what's going on. I guess this pandemic situation is taking its toll on the raised white tire game. So they're just regular old plain Jane tires, unfortunately, but that's something that can always be changed later on. No big deal. Got to roll with it. Adapt and overcome. So I'm not sure what the next episode is going to be. It might be cleaning up these cylinders and heads and rocker boxes and things like that, or maybe something else. Not sure yet. So stay tuned. Maybe within the next week or 2 weeks, something like that. Like I said, I'm not trying to set the world on fire with how quick this build series is going, but I'm also not trying to get into a slump that I know is easily achievable. So just trying to keep momentum going while I have it, and keep the money expenditures going while I have it, and try and get a project finished. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.